So a lot of people use brainstorming. Well, we all know, well, not we all know. I think it's quite common knowledge nowadays that brainstorming in groups is actually really hard because you get groupthink, particularly in the area where I live in the world. Usually one will, whatever, the person with the biggest paycheck will say, I think the idea is this, and everybody will just start following that same trail. So having some individual activities first. So basically, let's say we have an opportunity. We say we want to build a school that's got this, or we have an opportunity over there. Give everybody some individual time first to prepare some ideas. My only thing there would be is, and again, I don't really have a particular framework or structure that I use. I give people a bit more time to go deeper into the individual ideas. I think the classic way was, let's quickly come up with hundreds of ideas. You don't need 100 ideas. You need 5 we can go and test. So give people a bit more time individually to come up with something that's a little bit more robust and with a way to test it. And then you bring that to the room, and then you can discuss that together. So Dan, you've got an idea for this, and you have a way to test that as well. So fewer, a bit more robust ideas you can go and test, I think is the way forward. Because the whole, like, we need more crazy and creative ideas, that's very outdated.